Let's talk about when kids have entrenched behaviors and what you can do about it. Kids have behaviors that they have been using for a long time and it's been working for them. We don't want those behaviors to be their go-to. However, we can't undo them. So when we say entrenched, they're kind of ingrained, or they are just the way they get things done. What we can do, however, is to not try to fix or undo those behaviors. But our goal is to create a new neural pathway, if you will, next to those, so that they now have a different way of responding to a situation. What we want is for them to use the new information so that becomes more efficient for them in getting their needs met, and they're less likely to go to the old behaviors or the entrenched behaviors. So stop going down the road of trying to fix or undo, but create new that they will become their go-to, and they're less likely to use the behaviors that create problems. New pathways. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.